Welcome to Vocal Therapy for Women. Feel free to save this video and do it once or twice a day. Hi, my name is Liz Bills and I'm a singer-songwriter and a vocal coach with over 10 years of experience helping singers release pain, tension, anxiety, strain from their voices. I have had muscle tension dysphonia myself, so I know firsthand how difficult and painful and emotionally and physically taxing this can be. And so I'm going to show you what has helped me get my voice back online and what has helped my students as well. You can use this vocal therapy if your voice is feeling great, if it's feeling hoarse or tired, if you're recovering from sickness, if you have vocal damage, or if you have muscle tension dysphonia. Let's start with diaphragmatic breathing. And so all that means is we're going to take nice, deep, juicy breaths into our lower body. And we're just going to allow this to happen. We're not going to force anything open. So we're going to sit up nice and tall, chest held high. And we're going to take a nice breath in, expanding the belly, and then let it out. Drop your shoulders, relax your neck and face on the exhale. We're going to take another breath in. Breathe into your torso, low into your body. On the exhale, relax those muscles. Sink into your chair. Breathing in. Allow it. Let it all go. Give it a little wiggle out. 2 more. Breathing in, smelling the flowers. Let it all go. I'll do 1 more. Just breathing low into your torso. Let it go, your shoulders, your neck, your teeth, your eyeballs, your nose, your head, your back, your butt, your legs, your feet, your hands. And now let's just take a few regular breaths. But breathing lower into our body. It's not a shallow breath and it's not a huge breath. It's just a nice inhale and exhale. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with trills. And if you don't like trills, do an SOVT that you do like straw and water are other great options. Okay, it's going to look like this. We're going to go. Just a nice sustained trill at the top. We're not trying to mix. We're just seeing how easy and free it can feel. Feel free to add movement if it feels tight. Nice and easy, nice and gentle. Still breathing lower into the body, but nothing crazy. You're a balloon, slowly releasing air. Think about the vowel and we're not forcing anything, so if nothing wants to come out, allow that. And just imagine the sound happening. I'm demonstrating. It's early here. My voice does not want to turn on there, so I'm not forcing it. Let's take a quick break. Breathe in and out. Let go. And now let's come down. And so just imagine the sound. Imagine it's happening and see if the voice wants to turn on. And if it doesn't, that's okay. Don't force it. Light and right, not strong and wrong. And every day is different, so it may turn on tomorrow. But you're exercising that mind muscle to let go, which can be emotionally difficult, but it gets easy. Ooh, I wanted to come in there. Make sure my posture is nice and upright. How little can I do and get away with this? Can I relax a little bit more? I invite you to use the 3 M's if anything is feeling tight or tense or strain. Movement, massage, or myofascial release, which means just holding a stretch. Pressure point. Movement can mean walking around. Checking in on your breath is definitely movement as well. Breathing or doing this. A few more. You're doing so good. Always, tap out if you need to. Come back. Take breaks. The most important part of this is that it feels therapeutic. And that you're listening to yourself and supporting yourself and not forcing yourself through this, because the whole point is to feel supported, to feel that therapy. Okay. Yay. Next, let's do straw in water. Again, if you don't like straw and water, do straw or trills. Because it's not a one size fits all. All right, this is for our chest voice. This is also great for speaking. All of this is great for speaking and singing. Okay, so we're going to do this. Little slides. We're going to go. Followed by on the bubbles. Try to not let the bubbles splash you. Experiment with straw sizes. The bigger the straw, the more therapeutic. Experiment with how deeply you put the straw in the water or how close to the surface. Try to relax into it when you vocalize. Do you feel or hear that buzz with the hum? Straw and bubbles won't be super vibratey. So don't force it or worry about that. Just speech level volume. You don't have to push. Think a forward direction, not up and down. Relax into it. Can you feel that throat opening with the straw and water? Just be curious and look for that. Sometimes they call it like the frog throat. Let the vocal fry come in. If it wants to, it's not a bad thing. Let's just do a few more to get back up there. Don't demand 61% of your voice if it's only giving you 60%. Just work with what your voice is giving you today. With that kind of energy, your voice may expand to 70%. But the thing here is we don't want to have any expectations. We don't want to have any pressure. We don't want to force anything. And that kind of energy is so healing for the voice. Let's do one more. Alright, now we're going to do Blowfish with a tongue trill to an NG slide. So it's with a puffy cheek. If you're like, what? Just do a puffy cheek. You can always add the tongue trill later or never. I just like it. Okay, it's going to sound like this. We're going to follow our finger in a circle. So we're not pushing forward or back or thinking up and down. We're actually thinking about a circle. Let's follow that. So we're going to go. And then NG position like sing. Keep your tongue up. It's another way to hum. We're going to go. Yeah. Just like little slides. Check your shoulders. Just little slides in and out. Are you squeezing your butt cheeks? Let go of those. If it's too high, just drop out. Be sloppy. You can even kind of fall forward a little bit. Keep it going. Stretch it out. Oh, and if the blowfish and the don't work, just do a trill. Just do a straw and water. Do what works. Last one. I love this one. It's a whoop, whoop, whoop. It's going to be like holding your breath. Or you can do whoop, whoop, whoop. Here we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. You're making a sound effect. Oop, ah, ah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Kind of sounds like Super Mario when he's underwater. Whoop, 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 whoop. You're not singing. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's really sloppy. I don't hit the notes very correctly. Whoop, 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 whoop. If that B is not serving you. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's like holding your breath. I barely have to release anything. Whoop, 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 which helps my vocal cords close and get a good seal. We want a good seal in vocal therapy and in general. Whoop, 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 whoop. See how when I come down, I'm just kind of not hitting the notes perfectly. Whoop, 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 whoop. I mean, I could, but that's not the point. The point is good closure. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's getting a little bit difficult for me. Let me try whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. And it's like, how relaxed can I be in my neck? Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's just do a few coming down. Whoop, 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 whoop. And now let's stop. And we're going to take a few breaths. Let go. And now we're just going to go. Let's see if Vocal Fry wants to join the party. Hey, 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 hey. We're not forcing it, but let's see if it wants to come in. Hey, 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 hey. All right. If you have more time, I invite you to do my stretching and breathing video, or you could do my massage video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think and what you need from me. I answer every comment, so feel free to ask questions or just connect with me down in the comments. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because I release one video a month. And I'll see you soon.